Research confirms it. Nearly every enterprise user has at least one browser extension installed. More than half of those extensions carry high or critical permissions. Over a quarter were installed without IT ever knowing. Browser extensions look harmless, but they run with deep, persistent access to everything inside your user's browser sessions. AI extensions are the highest risk category, far more likely to carry a vulnerability, far more likely to silently expand their permissions over time. The Chrome Readiness Tool gives you a complete extension inventory across your entire fleet, every extension, every permission, and installed source. You'll see what's sideloaded, what came from unofficial sources, and which AI tools your users quietly added that are reading everything they type and browse. Chrome Enterprise Premium gives you complete extension governance. Build an approved allow list. Block everything else automatically. And set permission change alerts so any extension that silently escalates its access gets flagged and revoked before it becomes your next supply chain incident. Run your extension audit today. Download the Chrome Readiness Tool. The link is right there in the description.